Hi, Navin here. Last class we are discussing about the transport. In that we have crossed the road transport, road transport, railways, and pipelines. This under the category of the land transport, and we have discussed about water transport. In the water transport, we have discussed about the ports, which are the ports which will become under the eastern coast as well as the western coast. In today class, I am going to speak you regarding airways or the air transport. So air transport we can call it as a quick means of transport. We can call it and it will be helping for us to transfer the perishable goods from the one place to another places with a very fast. We can call it the air transport is the fastest mode of transport. Air transport is an efficient mode of transport, and it carries goods as well as carry passenger and mail. Other than that, what is that? This only for the carrying goods and service. Other than that, it will be works in the times of war, floods, earthquakes, many things. And air transport is very useful. India is a vast country and has all favorable factors for the development of air transport. There are two separate corporation for the operational purpose of air transport, that is we can call as the one is the Air India International and Indian Airlines. So Air India International, which provides the service between the India and various other countries, and Indian Airlines, which operates within the country. So Air India International, it will be not only for the India, it will be outside of the India. We can call it as a foreign, we can call. And Indian Airlines, which will be operates within the country, and it connects the neighboring countries also. Until recently, air transport was in the public sector, but now there is a private air sector also. You may have studied in the Jet Airways, which has on the famous entrepreneur has started. So in the business studies we are going to talk about this. Private company is also holding the permits and not scheduled service. For example, we have the Jet Airways, Sahara Airlines, and Paramount Airways, etc. will be taken care under private sector. So when we are coming to the airports, so in India we are having 141 airports which have the in India, of which 28 designated international airport, 88 domestic airports are there, and 25 civil enclave at defense airfields. So the 28 civil enclave, it is for only for the meant for purpose of the defense. It will be managed by the Airport Authority of India as managing the airports. So you are seeing here at the major airports of India. So international airports, that is Srinagar, Amritsar, Delhi, Jaipur, Lucknow, Guwahati, Gaya, Varanasi, Bhopal, Indore, Ahmedabad, Mumbai, Pune, Nagpur, Hyderabad, Kolkata, Bhubaneswar, Marmagova, Bengaluru, Chennai, Coimbatore, Kochi, Thiruvananthapuram are the major international airport which are located in India. Here we have some important international airports. Delhi International Airport will be calling by name Indira Gandhi International Airport, that is located in Delhi. It's very important for the map marking. They may ask the name of the airport. You have to locate it in that state or the near places. Okay. Chhatrapati Shivaji International Airport, Mumbai. Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose International Airport, Kolkata. Anna International Airport, Chennai. Kempegowda International Airport, Bengaluru. Rajiv Gandhi International Airport, Hyderabad. Sri Guru Ramadas Ji International Airport, Amritsar. Lokapriya Gopinath Bordalai International Airport, Guwahati, Biju Patnaik International Airport, Bhubaneswar, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel International Airport, Ahmedabad, Veera Savarkar International Airport, Port Blair, Dr. Baba Saheb Ambedkar International Airport, Nagpur, Zarruki International Airport, Shillong, Lal Bahadur Shastri International Airport, Varanasi. I will repeat once again airport's name. Indira Gandhi International Airport, Delhi, Chhatrapati Shivaji International Airport, Mumbai, Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose International Airport, Kolkata, Anna International Airport, Chennai, Kempegowda International Airport, Bengaluru, Rajiv Gandhi International Airport, Hyderabad, Shri Guru Ramdas Ji International Airport, Amritsar, Lokapriya Gopinath Bordalai International Airport, Guwahati, Biju Patnaik International Airport, Bhubaneswar, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel International Airport, Ahmedabad, Veera Savarkar International Airport, Port Blair, Dr. Baba Saheb Ambedkar International Airport, Nagpur, Zarruki International Airport, Shillong, Lal Bahadur Shastri International Airport, Varanasi. This is about the airways, and next class we are going to talk about communication, meaning of communication, importance of communication, and all those things. Thank you for watching video. Have a great day. Go ahead. Stay tuned to GJS.